Okay, so here's the box. You see that it's packed in pretty nicely, I think. So you have some artwork here. Let's get it closer. You see the artwork, the Hulk, looks like Black Panther, Iron Man, and there you go with Falcon there. You see him? All right. Then you have some artwork back here. It says Captain America and Red Wing right there. You see it? So you got that Captain America Red Wing right there. Then you got that, I guess, that logo of the Red Wing. Not quite sure what that is, but that is a logo right there on the circle. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the top part of the box, and you can see that it says combine. You combine the 2, 3, and make them into that one there. Okay, same there. It goes in color. You have the figure. You have both the figures right there. The Mech Strike and Falcon himself, right? Okay, so in the face of the box, in the much bigger picture, same stance as this on the top, but it is just blowed up and switched around. So it's the same. You see the character there. You see the Mech Strike, and then you have them built up, standing up in this form, right? And then you have Marvel's Mech Strike, Mechasaurs, Mechasaurs, right? Down at the bottom there, you got Hasbro, plus you got some epic logos saying epic superheroes, 4 inches and 10 centimeters, right? Let's go to the side panel. There goes your add-ons. Put him in there, and you got him, right? Cool. On the other side panel, you have that in more cartoonic fashion. Yep, the artwork. All right, there you go. And on the bottom of the box, the stuff that you guys like, we can get that close enough for you to pause it, read it, and we'll get to talking about it. For the most part, and all the parts. That is the box. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, you see the box there? I've already showed it to you in detail, so you know what the box was like. So let's go ahead and open it with our weapons. Okay, so the top is not, you got the top here. Looks like you can open it from the top, but that is a negative. So top is not going to be the way to go, I'm sure. So it looks like a bottom. On the bottom here, yep, there we are. And it looks like you have your taping there, so let me go ahead and slice that. Okay, there you go. Nice little slit there, nothing to damage the box. And then you do have that coming off there. You got it, okay. So a nice little tape there to keep it down inside, tucked in. Just give it a little slice, and then you're good to go to slide this baby out. I'm sure, should be. All right, there we look, okay. All right, and then your box, set that down. Okay, that's set down there. Okay. Then we have inside, let's see here. You have your Marvel's Mech Strike, Mechasaurs. Okay, Mechasaurs. Right? That's your instruction manual, I'm sure, of some sort. Hasbro logo there, ages. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, something fell out. Okay, stuff right here. You can pause that, read it, and we can talk about it. Okay, let's open this up. Let's look at the back first. Okay, on the back, assembly required. Okay, yeah, there's gonna be assembly required. Okay, and open it up, and this is looking like it's showing you how to put it together. Okay, not bad on that. We see that. All right, stick that there, connect there, put something in there, and you got what we're looking for, right? Okay, so that is our manual to build, our instructions. Okay, I like how they do have this packed away pretty nicely. You don't have to worry about anything scratching up. They got it covered up real nice, and it's in the box really good. Okay, we'll start with the smaller first. Go ahead and take that. I don't want to damage it. Okay, there we go. And can I pull it? Yeah, we can pull it out. Okay, nicely done. Good paper, even reusable. Thing about this is you can reuse this, and let's see here, you can reuse this if you want to put it back the way you had it and wrap it up with the same paper. So I advise you not to throw the paper away. That way you can reuse it. Okay, the figure here. All right, this is pretty cool looking. Pretty cool looking figure. For a 4-inch, let's go ahead and break that ruler out and see where he is exactly on the inches side. We'll just do the inches here. Okay, and it's looking like he's yep, right. Yeah, he's gonna be a 4-inch figure. Nice. If you want to do the centimeter, he's 4 inches. Looks like he'll be right at 10 centimeters. That's where he's at. That's where he's standing. And that's what we're working with today. So I do like the figure. The paint on it is not too bad. You can see it there. Not bad. Got some articulation. Okay. Nice articulation. So they did pretty good. All right. I like that. Boots looking good. Okay. Not a bad 4-inch figure. And the movements are not bad. Even flies. I mean, wow, he can do some kicks. Nice. Nicely done. I just wonder how well can he stand. You know, can he stand good? I'm not sure. We'll have to check that out in some poses. Okay, let's go on to the next item. Okay, it's a more bulkier item. Let's crash this open. Looks like you are going to have to come up with something because that won't come out. So we'll tear one of these. Okay, one's gone. And then I can just work the other one out because I do want to keep that space in putting the figure back in nicely, right? So we know it's in this awesome paper. Like I said, I'm going to reuse it, tear it open in one part, and then, of course, reuse it to wrap the figure up when I'm finished with it. It's not going to be hanging up anywhere. Okay, we got pieces falling out. Looks like we got a piece count here. There goes one piece here. Oh, okay. And then you got, let me roll down. And then you have the shield. Nice. More pieces are coming. Looks like legs are falling out. Legs. And, okay, let's put this paper to the side there. And it looks like you have that Mech Strike Mechasaurs. That's pretty cool. All right, that's nice. Cool. Look at that. All right, so we do have all the pieces. And I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together and see and give it a shot. Okay, so I do have them in there. Pretty nice. Little difficult to put them in, but it's okay. There he is. Not bad at all. So what you do is you get him inside the suit here. If you look inside the suit, he has a little harness. You put him in there. You put him up. Make sure his head's resting against here, right? And then once you do that, you can pull this all the way down. It has a latch. See, it comes up. See, it goes fall apart. See there, right? How it's like that? Well, it comes all the way down to get his face to show. You see there? There's his face. You can see him. He holds his shield on this arm here. Right there. Shield's there. If it hooks, there you go. But that was not hooking on. We'll leave that for now. And then as you can see, his feet are in peg systems in the back here. And they just peg on and just push them onto the back. And then you have those feet, right? And that's how you have them in this position here. So that's pretty cool. Not bad. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and put him in a different position. See him? There he is. Not too bad, right? He gets ready to roll out, I guess. Time to fly. Let's go. And let's go out. Okay, I got them separated. They're in their battle mode separated. Let's look at him. Okay. He looks pretty good for a 4-inch figure. I can't complain with that. There you go. His shield's on. Nicely done. Then he has his weapon here, right? You can also have that weapon and shield on while he's in the Mechasaurs. That's pretty cool, right? Okay. Sit him down for a minute. If we can. Can you stand up? Stand up, big guy. Let's get him to stand up. Okay. And then here we are here. See, you can get the gap showing, put it in there. And the mouth does open. It does open up to give a little effect of a scream. Okay, you have that. So that is the Mechasaurus in itself, by itself, and not hooked onto him. So this is pretty cool. I do like this. It's not a bad thing. Little bit crazy on the plastic here with the pieces, how they fit, because his legs they peg in right here, right there. They just peg on in pretty easy when it snaps in. So it's not bad. They didn't do too bad on the detail of it. But this is nicely done. If you want to get this for somebody, I recommend it. It's not really a crazy figure, but it's cool that it does multiple things. Because the wings have multiple hinges on them. They can be in any different way. See, they got the hinge backs there. Even comes forward. So it's not bad. Like I said, the head comes down. Mouth opens up. Whatnot. But okay, this is not bad. So I'm going to go ahead and give this. A 3 out of 5. It's not bad at all. The pieces stay on fairly decent. The figure itself are fairly decent. And yeah. And some things do fall off easy, but 3 out of 5 is not bad. That's what I give it. Guys, let me know what you give it. And you guessed it. At BigBadToyStore.com. And you can pick up yours today. Just check out BigBadToyStore.com. So what are you waiting for? Check them out. And this brings us to the end of our video. If you found the video informational or you just simply enjoyed watching, please hit the like, comment, share, and subscribe button. And as always, this has been another toy review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.